ChatGPT Review 2025. The best AI tool for creators. Full pros and cons. What if you had a personal assistant who could write blogs, create YouTube scripts, generate code, and even help you make money online? That's the power of ChatGPT. But is it still the best AI tool in 2025? Let's find out. Welcome back to Smart AI Review, the channel where I test the latest AI tools so you don't waste time or money. If you're new here, hit subscribe and ring the bell for weekly AI reviews. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI, built to understand and generate human-like text. You can use it for writing, coding, brainstorming, customer support, business automation, and more. In 2025, it's smarter, faster, and more creative than ever. Content creation, blog posts, video scripts, ad copy. Example, show it generating a YouTube intro script. Coding help, debug errors, write full programs. Example, show it fixing a short piece of code.
Diagon, pros. SAC. Super versatile, can do almost anything with text, saves hours of work for creators, students and businesses. Easy to use, no tech skills needed. SAC constant updates with new features. Riga cons. Sometimes gives inaccurate info, needs fact checking.
Rank paid plan required for advanced features. Lacks personal creativity compared to humans. ChatGPT offers two main versions. Paid free plan GPT 3.5, great for basic use. Plus plan GPT 4.5, 2025 month, faster, more accurate, better reasoning. There are also API options for businesses. So is ChatGPT worth it in 2025? If you are a content creator, entrepreneur or student, absolutely yes. It's one of the most powerful AI tools to boost productivity and creativity. Just remember to double check facts before publishing. Try ChatGPT today using the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe and check out my top 5 AI tools for 2025 video next. I'll see you there.